Empty though. Nobody tailgating outside.
James Robertson Parkway.
But if you go to Philly right now, people are fucking tailgating now.
Look at this shit.
What?
You gotta go like down on something. Like, I almost missed it.
While rolling through Tennessee, we had the opportunity to meet up with my sister and her family for dinner in Nashville. So in honor of today being Super Bowl Sunday, I wanted to share with you a recipe that she gave me that is perfect for game day, but also simple enough to cook in the truck. So here's what you'll need for Erin's Mississippi pot roast. Let me know if you try it and what you think in the comments below.
I wish you all could smell this. Jose's sleeping right now, taking his nap. But dinner is ready, and I can't wait for him to wake up. It smells so freaking good.